Hello Islanders, so we are going to go into our Schoology app to get our assignment. Make sure you sign in as yourself. And I am going to navigate over to my upcoming. I can search through my upcoming right here, but if you don't see that or there's a glitch or something is not showing up here, you can just press this calendar and then I can see all my assignments in the calendar view. I want to go to this crossword one. So once I click on that, there's my directions, and if I press view item, my teacher has a document here. You can tell that it's a .docx, which is a Word file from Microsoft. That might open up into an app here. We could press it and download, might open it up into the app, but the best way to get where we want to go over Notability to type or write on it is going to be this view. This just opens it up in another tab in Safari for me. And if I press this square with the little arrow at the top corner up here, this squareo as we like to call it, you can see here all my apps that I can choose from. So I can choose Schoology, but I want to edit it first. So we're going to go to Notability. And it's asking, do you want to send this? Do I want to create a new note in Notability, or do I want to add to existing? I want to create a new one. And right here is where it tells me my title. So this is the title that my teacher created for this assignment. And then I don't have a subject. So I'm just going to press import here and you'll see that preview. So it said that it was successfully sent. So we're going to press done and go over to it now in Notability. So I'm just pressed my home button to get back. I'm going to go into Notability, and now you see that it just popped up here at the top. When I click on that, up here I have a text tool, so I could type something if it was more of a document that I'd want to type on, but this is a crossword, so I want to get that color out. If I press and hold this, my colors pop up. I can go really big, I can go really small. I probably might need to go small for these small of little boxes. And I'm going to choose something a little bit darker so that we can see it. I should be able to zoom with this. Yep, here we go, without having to click that little finger. If I use my two fingers to zoom, I can go in nice and big to type and then go back out to see the whole thing. So let's try one of these with my crayon here. 6 down is right where I want to do this, and I need to think of the word for 6 in French, which you may surprise you, but is still 6 is how you spell that. So I zoomed in to write it, and now I'm going to zoom back out to see the whole thing and scroll. If I were to draw all over this or highlight and say like, I really don't know this one, or this one I still have left, or I drew over the whole thing, I'm going to undo that because that's a little obnoxious. Up here in this plus, now I could add in, if I wanted to, a picture. Say, for example, I had a document where I needed to upload a picture. I could do that. I could upload something from my camera. I could scan a whole nother document. Say you had something from your math textbook or a novel that you're reading. You could just scan in that document here. You can add GIFs, something from the web, or even a sticky note. I'm done here, so I'm just going to save this one, and I'm going to do that by this top squareo over here. So if I click that, and it says send to, I want to send this to Schoology, so I'm going to click this other apps. Leave all this the same. You can see here that it auto sets this up as a PDF, and we want it to be a PDF instead of being a Word document again, because there's so many devices we're using these days. Maybe you did this on your cell phone, maybe you did it on an iPad, maybe you did it on a Chromebook, maybe you did it in iOS or on a Windows 10 PC. We don't know what device you used, and maybe your teacher used a different device than you. Your guaranteed best route for your teacher to get your assignment is if you submit it here as a PDF. If you submit it, say, in Pages, and your teacher is trying to open it up on a Dell, they're not going to be able to open that Pages document. So save it as a PDF here in Notability, and we're just going to press share. I have Copy to Schoology set right here, and you'll notice that that's that web, sorry, not the web, this is the app icon that's white instead of that maroon web app that we've been asking students to use. This white app plays best when you're going from Notability. So if you don't see that in this top one, you can go all the way over to More. And if you press this edit in the top corner, and it was down here, you could just press one of these green pluses. Maybe I want to put this Acrobat up there. Now you'll see that that's in your top favorite. So you only have to do that once to put Schoology up there. And I recommend that so you can do it quick from there. But if you didn't have that in there, you could just go to More and you could go from Copy to Schoology here. Submit assignment. I'm going to go to the French class that I'm in. And I'm going to go to that crossword and upload. Now it's always a good idea to double check that it went in. So if you go to the 3 lines over here and my course and that French period, and I go to that, let's see, it's probably in here. Yep, French crossword. And I go over here to my submissions. It should say that my revision 1 was on time, and then I can always click on it and double check. There's my annotations. I can zoom. I can see that I wrote it and highlight it. If you go in here and see that it is blank, make sure that you just redo those steps and put it in as a second submission. I can show that if you go into your home screen again and Notability, and I just do that one more time and I press this square arrow, Other Apps, Share Note, Copy to Schoology. I can submit it again, go to French, go to Crossword and Upload. And you will see here, if I refresh, by dragging down, revision 2, there's that same assignment, and it's in here with annotations on it. And then you could always talk to your teacher about, please just look at revision 2, delete revision 1. Okay, that's it. I hope this is helpful. Bye.